Hi everyone, this is Suman Bala and you are watching my YouTube channel Sumanoj. So we are learning how to use have, has and had. Last video we made on the same topic to show ownership, and in this video we will use have, has and had to use it for perfect tense. Let's start the video. So first of all we will understand what is perfect tense. Perfect tense is used to refer to an action or a state that is completed at the time of speaking. Now we will take our subjects. Subjects are he, she, it and singular noun. So we will use has plus third form of the verb. Let's take some examples. She has finished her work. It has taken a long time. He has spoken too long. Kiran has made chocolate cake. And to make all them negative, we will use has not. Let's make them all negative. She has not finished her work. It has not taken long time. He has not spoken too long. Kiran has not made a chocolate cake. Now to make them all interrogative, we will use has before the subject. Like, has she finished her work? Has he taken a long time? Has he spoken too long? Has Kiran made a chocolate cake? So now we'll use have. So to use have, we will take subject, I, you, we, they or plural noun. So let's take some example. I have taken medicine. We have taken tickets. I have read your favorite book. They have played badminton. Ram and Sham traveled to Russia. Now we will make all them negative. And to make them negative, we will use have not. Have not after subject. Let's see all the example again. I have not taken my medicine. We have not taken the tickets. I have not read your favorite book. They have not played badminton. Ram and Sham have not traveled to Russia. Now we will make all subject interrogative. So to make them interrogative, we will use have before the subject. Have and subject. Let's see all examples again. Have I taken my medicine? Have we taken tickets? Have you read your favorite book? Have they played badminton? Have Ram and Sham traveled to Russia? Now we will use had for perfect tense. So for everyone we will use had. He, she, it, you, I, singular noun, plural noun, we will use had for everyone. Let's see the examples. The laborer had pushed the cart. She had spent all her money. I had taken my bag. They had gone to hill station. The teacher had given the test. Now we will make all these sentences in negative. So to make them negative, we will use had not. Had not. Let's see all examples again in negative form. The laborer had not pushed the cart. She had not spent all her money. I had not taken my bag. They had not gone to the hill station. The teacher had not given the test. Now we will make all these sentences interrogative. So to make them all interrogative, we will use had before the subject. Let's see all examples again. Had the laborer pushed the cart? Had she spent all her money? Had I taken my bag? Had teacher given the test? Had they gone to the hill station? I hope you all have got the concept of have, has and had for perfect tense, and the next video we will use have, has and had again to show the responsibility. Till then, stay tuned to our channel. Have a great time. Bye bye.